I picked up this lens light repair kit at the auto parts store, and this is just a temporary fix. Then you want to cut an inch bigger. Let's see here. Inch bigger than what the hole in the lens is. Go a little bit more here. That should be good. And just peel the back off. And I cleaned this a couple hours ago with water and then wiped it off so it's nice and dry and clean. And now the tricky part. Oh, there we go. Peel that off. Line it up so there's an inch all the way around the hole. And spread it out. Yeah, I get the crease. Spread it out from the inside, working your way out. Yeah, I got some creases in it, but I said this is just a temporary fix. I get a new lens. Just push that out real well. And then you want to wait at least 24 hours before washing the vehicle or this lens. And there we go. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.